Chairman.
Yeah?
This is the Founders Park. Founders Park. Founders Park.
Now let it go this way.
Commission the Founders Park for the use of the people of this community and for humanity. In the name of God the Father, Amen. God the Son, Amen. And God the Holy Spirit. Amen. This historical site, park, fair, and other facilities for the cultural, socio-economic rejuvenation and modernization of Koniju town in Okrika, built by Chief Ateke and Smaka Owolo, member of the Order of the Niger, Justice of Peace, GMH, the Civil Service of River State, as a gift to the shrine. An official commissioned by my humble self, the Governor of River State, on this day, 17th day of December 2022, to the glory of God.
The beach.
Okay, this is the man.
Yes, sir. It's 92. It's 92, sir. And you're very strong supporter, sir. We recognize them, Amabo. We recognize them. Congratulations, Amabo. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh, you're blocking his view now.
Jumping.
Yes, sir.
CNN correspondent.
We are grateful to you for the gift of our state, River State, and for the gift of our
Chief Ateke Amesimaka, MON, JP, Ambassador Desmond Akao, His Royal Majesty King Nelson Atibo Oputibeya, Koniju, Town Council of Chiefs, Chief Ateke Amesimaka.
You've made your family to be happy, and that's what we call leadership. And I'm sure all of you strong PDP members, you are happy with what he has done. And this is what will bring all of you together. Practical. Seeing is what? Believing. I came, I saw, and I believe. You've done your people well. And one good turn deserves another. These are people I like to work with. Do you understand? These are people I like to work with. Those who want their people to progress. Not those who want themselves, only themselves, only themselves, only themselves and their family. That will not happen again. You did not ask to give me one of my children to be this SA to make sure next time one of my children will be chairman of council. What do you ask? My people, Koniju people, Koniju. Is that what he said? Is that what he said? Today I recognize as Amanaba of Koniju. My dear good people, these are people or kind of leaders you should listen to. Those who mean well for our people. I have always known that our people have always supported me. Okrika local government has supported me. But you will have also one strategy you use. Different names to get all kind of recognition. I hope tomorrow too, you will call me again. That, oh, that's where Pata comes from. That one is Judama. I hope this one has ended, though. So that, look, I must tell you, each time I come to Okrika, I feel so happy. I feel so happy. I feel home. I feel home. And I want that relationship to continue. Don't allow an individual to break that relationship. Do you understand me? Don't allow an individual selfish interest to break the relationship. Ordinarily, if things are to be done well, Okrika should have one of the finest jetties in this country. Ordinary. Well, everybody will give account of himself at the last day, like my brother said. Some of you don't even know how to play politics. When people come, for example, if Owolo comes now to his community and calls them, my people, see where I want us to go to. Why will you not follow him? Is there any reason why you won't follow him? Because see what has used his money to do. Again, see by doing this, see what has attracted to a kingdom. That is what they call people who have good heart. Stop listening to people who are liars.
Grateful to God for bountiful grace and mercy, inspired by the universally acclaimed colossal strides in people-oriented infrastructural development and terrain transformation philosophy of His Excellency, Chief Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, CON, GSSRS, Life Venture, LLD Honoris Causa, Governor of Rivers State, encouraged by my caring wife and empathic children, and knowing that there were a few things I could do to improve the quality of life of my people, while also preserving and highlighting our cultural heritage. I committed myself to the development of the facilities hereunder about 15 months ago as a gift to my town. Land reclamation. Land, Your Excellency, as you know, is an invaluable asset in Okrika in general and Koniju town in particular. And its non-availability has been the primary cause of most conflicts in the area. This land reclamation venture covers the entire Awolomebiri waterfront and part of neighboring Ederemebiri waterfront, and it's my modest way of supporting our dear governor, His Excellency Chief Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, CON, GSSRS, Life Venture, LLD Honoris Causa, in his laudable land reclamation drive in Okrika. The volume of reclaimed material is 195 meters by 38 meters by 3.2 meters, being 23,712 cubic meters, covering an area of 7,410 square meters. The reclaimed area is approximately 16.5 plots of land. Meanwhile, the establishment of the Founders Park, pier arrival departure hall and provision of portable water and modern toilet and shower blocks for the entire community have covered only 4.5 plots of land. The vacant plots are reserved and available to build a school, fish market, and other beneficial facilities.